Let's spin a disc.
Greetings, family. How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. I trust you guys are doing okay. Now today, man, we've got Prophet Lovy Elias, man, talking about a near fatal accident that he was involved in with Prophet Passion Java. You know what I'm saying? Now, man, the pictures of the wreckage, man, they ain't looking too pretty, man. They ain't looking too pretty. In fact, the Prophet Lovy is actually saying they could have died. Yeah, they could have died. They actually could have died. They actually could have perished, man. You know what I'm saying? But thank God nothing happened to them. Thank God, man, they got out of it. But the pictures don't look pretty. They don't look pretty. But anyway, you guys let me know what you think in the comment section, man. Out there, man, it's rough out there, man. You know what I'm saying? You need the grace of God out there. You know what I mean? Anyway, thank you guys. Remember to share, like, subscribe. I'll meet you in the next one. My name is Bliss.
Some of you
And
don't
I'm
know. Is it okay for me to say this, Papa? Today we were not supposed to be here. We were supposed to die. Yes. We were supposed to die. We were not supposed to make it here.
It was crazy.
Our car hit an 18-wheeler that was... We are going straight. The truck is on the other side. He decides to turn. We are coming honking. Driving how fast, Papa? I can't remember. Our driver wants to cross. He can't go this way because he will hit the back.
Yeah.
If he goes over, we will turn. We head on.
It was bad.
It was, but this is the funny thing. 1 minute before it happened, we were all asleep because we were all jet lag tired. The angel of the Lord woke me up, and I opened my eyes, and I was wondering what is going on. And immediately I saw what was coming from a distance. I touched Papa. I said, "Papa, brace yourself." He said, "I heard you calling me." Even him, he woke up. It is not that there was. We all just got alert. We braced ourselves, and he hit the car. No one came out hurt. Everyone came out wondering, wait, what? How did you guys? We were supposed to go. This message.
The car is beyond repair. A G-Wagon, beyond repair, but we are alive.
If you saw the truck itself, it looks like I don't know what happened to it.
The truck is more damaged, but we are still alive.
No scratch, nothing. So that you can hear this message.
Yeah.